Hey, Architectural Digest. Welcome to the Goodtime Hotel.
Welcome to the good time. It's one word, by the way. It's one word. Why? Because it's just like one vibration. Good. You're gonna come here one way, and you're gonna leave another. Let's get started.
Let's get going. We're so excited to show you guys the library.
I mean, beautiful. It's like straight out of like, what I wanna say is like the mind of like Margot Tenenbaum. She was a huge inspiration, just for like the overall tone. We wanted this to be a place that you could see in a Wes Anderson frame. That's right, Wes. Our partner in this, Mr. Ken Fulk, he does not miss details. This guy, there's a detail for everything.
It's just so whimsical. That's why I love it. For me, it's a place in the middle of this oasis of Miami Beach. To be able to come here and just have a full Instagrammable moment, it's unbelievable. This is my favorite piece, is the giraffe. And we love the giraffe architecturally. Everything is different, but seems to all fit together in a magical way.
The way that Kim was able to make so many things work together, so many different textures, so many different colors, all at once. It's a rare thing, you know, to make so many things work, but we know we want you to be entertained at all times, so it has to switch up. It has to continue to be pushed, the concept.
You know what I really love is he took classic designs and repurposed them into something that brings it to the next generation. Like a chair like this and changing the fabric, or an old school pleated couch, tufted couch like this, but make it pink. It just makes it come alive. And that's what I love about Ken, is taking classic features and bringing them up.
This is the Ken Fulk show right now.
I mean, literally.
But he did a great job. It's what he does.
What I love personally about this hallway more than anything is that Ken Fulk designed little wet footprints in the carpet.
Yeah.
So it looks like it's a little pathway.
Yeah. Welcome. You get the view of the Miami Beach.
We didn't want to be just another standard hotel room, guys. And Ken brought it all to life, including, we want you to have fun here. This is not a regular phone where you just dial for room service. It's a moment.
It's a moment. I mean, even down to the robe, you know? Like, I have to do this. You guys, like, for real, no, this is how you have a good time.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, shall we go downstairs and have brunch?
Or some tea, some high tea.
Strawberry moon.
Oh, let's go. I need to get Ken on the phone. P and I are coming down to the pool. We'll meet you there. Now I have to show you the pool.
I mean, but before we go, hold on. Before we go all the way there, like, just, you gotta take this in. This is different from when, like, you were owning and operating your own places of business.
This is another level, guys. Going from the restaurant nightclub business to the hotel business.
I mean, if I just, another time.
Soon. Oh, Ken.
I've been waiting for you.
My guy.
This
We got the baby blue wearing.
You can see why the attention to detail matters so much, right?
This guy doesn't miss. Forget a cuff.
Hey.
What about the cuff links? Like this guy?
Can you believe it that we're actually
I was just saying to
standing
him,
here?
like, thinking about, like, when we were looking at renderings, and I'm just thinking to myself, wow, this guy he's like so outside of the box.
And when you brought all the materials for us to take to feel and touch, and to say, this is gonna be the tile, and this tile matches this tile, and I know you think they're off, but they're gonna all work together, and you have to look at the big picture. I
Facts.
think that was the part for us that it really became real.
We learned to speak the same language and sort
Right.
of get inside each other's heads. And
I mean, literally, there must be a dozen or so pinks out here. right?
Probably at least.
But depending on where they are, they were like handpicked for the right expression.
I think my favorite thing though is our striped pool.
Yes, I mean, we
you
love
know,
the
our-
striped pool.
Our
I
dual
know how hard
pools.
it is to get any kind of color, anything like that on a swimming pool in Miami Beach.
Yep.
How you worked your magic to allow this to happen is amazing.
It was a challenge, but we did it.
Feel like you're walking down a runway through the middle of it, right? Everyone wants to feel sexy like they're walking through a runway. And that's what we really delivered on over here more than anything.
It's wonderful to see it now in this static, sort of perfect state, but it's the people being here. I mean, that's the thing that we talked about from the very beginning, which was just sort of creating this new culture, celebrating truly a good time. And to see beautiful spaces is one thing, but to fill them with beautiful people. And we mean that in the right way, not just the outward way.
That's
and
right.
So I think that's what's going to be extraordinary and what we're so excited about. But for me, also just truly becoming like, you know, I love you guys, and it's true. I mean, there couldn't be better people to work with. Dave is a amazing, crazy person who has more energy than anything. And then, you know, the honor of working with you, Pharrell, it's been a privilege. And, you know, I think of you as not just collaborators, but my friend.
Of course.
I think that's been the beauty out of this, and we can't wait to see what else we'll come up with.
Ken, we want to show Architectural Digest the cabana.
Go, you're on your own.
We want to take them what's going to happen poolside. One thing I really want you guys to know, we used the best landscaping architect
The best.
in the world. Our favorite guy, we looked at a million. Raymond Jungles for us was an inspiration to us, and this is why. Look at the specimen trees that he finds. You don't find trees like this in hotel pool decks, right? Raymond Jungles has orchestrated plants and vines and special trees. Every tree was handpicked by him, and for us, it sets the whole tone. So next, we want to show you one of our Strawberry Moon cabanas.
I mean, come on. You just got out of the pool. You come and sit down. You've already made your order. The ordering experience here at Strawberry Moon will be very different than anything else you've ever experienced. Forget what you saw and forget what you heard. I'm talking about what you experienced. I mean, it's just like this.
Thank you. Guys, this is our Purple Rain cocktail.
Yes, sir.
Cheers.
Cheers, my bro.
So I wanted to give you guys some secret insight on how we called it Strawberry Moon. Two things. It's a restaurant and pool deck that's completely activated. But the strawberry tells you more about the day life, and the moon talks to you about the nightlife. On top of that, when we signed our deal to get the space, there was a strawberry moon that night. So for us, we thought it all came together.
Love it.
So Architectural Digest, that's the good time. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And we look forward to hosting you in our house.
Yes, man. Enjoy Strawberry Moon. And of course, come get some of that Purple Rain.
Boom.
Be blessed.